In this video, we are going to see how we can commit our changes and push our changes to GitHub from Ubuntu using Git. So for this, create a new folder here, your project where you want to work, and click on it, and then open the terminal on it, and create a file, txt file of name hello.txt. Now you can see here in this folder now hello.txt has been created, and initialize the git init. So a git folder has been created also. Now do some work on git hello.txt file. So this is my work, and save this work, and closing this file. Then go to your browser and log into your GitHub account. So GitHub, this is my GitHub account. It is logging in. So it has been logged in to my GitHub account. Now do one thing, just create a new repository from here, plus button, and the name of repository H, description is this, and just click on create repository. Now it is giving some recommendation command lines for pushing the our changes in this repository. So this is our repository. We want to push this repository. Where is this? It is here. Our folder is here. We want to push this repository to our remote, means GitHub. There are multiple remote to handle Git files like GitHub, GitLab. These are some. So you have to do here initializing apt-get in home. So it has been initialized. Now check the status, status. So it is saying it is in untracked stage. So just add this to staging area, git add dot to add all the file on staging area. So it has been added. Now you just create git add dot, and then check again the status, get status. So it is saying that it is in a staging area. Now to commit, git commit -m, then commit message. So this is my commit message. So it has been committed. If to push to this repository to your repository to GitHub repository, so you have to add the remote. First of all, you check remote is exist or not. So it is returning nothing, so it is not exist. For this, you have to add the remote. So just go to your repository. Here you can see this is the command to add the repository. So just copy this, Ctrl C, and then paste it here. Okay, then just paste it here, left click, and then paste. Ctrl V is not work in terminal, so just enter. So it has added the remote. So check it has added or not. So check get remote. So it is returning origin. So our remote has been added, whose name is origin. So if you want to push our changes in GitHub, so how to push it? To git push -u origin master. Master is my branch name, origin is my remote. So just push enter. So it is asking for my username. So my username is ripcoder, and then my password is, so it is my password. So it is raising an error. So it is saying that support for password authentication was removed on 13/2021. So it has been removed. So for this, you have to see this documentation. So you read the documentation by going to this link. For this, to how to handle this, so just go to your GitHub account and go to your profiles and go to your, in this profile, go to settings, and in settings go to developer setting. Here are some options: personal access token, so click on it, and then token classic and fine grain token. So it is in beta version, so it is not recommended. So create a token classic. So created a token classic. It is so here it open the, here you can click generate new token, click on it, generate new token classic, and then note. So write something. A note is commit push is my note, and expiration is 30 days. In 7 days it will be expired, so I am making it 30 days. And I will giving him the access to all thing. So I'm giving access to all thing. You can modify this. I am giving access all. So just click on all the operations. So I am clicking Copilot is also available here. So click on now generate token. So now our token has been created. So click on it, copy this token, and then go to your terminal again, and then again try to push get push -u origin master, and now it is asking for user coder and then password. Then what to do? Fatal authentication has been failed. So in password you have to paste the token here. So again git push -u origin master, then rip coder, then here you have to paste your token. So it has been pasted now, then enter. So you can see it has been pushed to our repository. Here you can see, go to your repository, uh, my repository, go to profile, and then go to your profile, and then which project you are. So this was my project. So here you can see hello.txt has been pushed here. So that's how you can post your changes to GitHub using SSH key. So thanks for watching this video.